Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Beards and Gears, and today I've got something interesting for you. Today we'll be working on my carpet. As you can see, it's white. Well, it's more of a beige color and I don't really like that. So we got an interesting solution for a very common problem. I have Duplicolor's vinyl and fabric spray paint. Flexible finish is what they call it. I got it in a dark black color. So today I'm going to be spray painting essentially my carpet. I've heard some pretty good reviews about this stuff. I saw somebody else bang it out and I liked the quality of the outcome. So today we're going to be doing this. I just got to vacuum my carpet. If you are going to do this, I suggest cleaning your carpet really well. I pressure washed this last year, so there isn't any grime or gunk on it. I just have to vacuum off some dust and we're ready to go. Alright, so before I go ahead and paint this up, I just want you to see what it looks like. As you can see, like, it's a bit nasty, but it is clean. I pressured washed this entire thing. It was much nastier before. So now I'm going to go ahead and paint this thing essentially. We'll dye it. Technically it's going to be dyeing a carpet, and we're going to see the outcome.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling.
guys, so all right everybody, so let's see the progress so far. World of difference. Like, what a world of difference. It's still like pretty fabricy, soft. It feels still original. It just needs a little more, because like you have spots there from far away, it looks completely black, but then once you get close to it, like you can still see some of the beige sticking out here and there. I kept this white so I can kneel on it and paint over it and dye it over there. But this is looking like from that to that. Like, that's slick. And this is also good for vinyl, so that's why that's getting dyed as well. It's looking good.
I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me.
Alright everybody, so I'm done. I just finished dyeing the entire carpet black. It took about 5 cans. I do believe once I put the car in and everything kind of settles, there's going to be some like beige that's going to stick out. But I have like a quarter of a can left, and I doubt that's something that I can't just spray inside the car and call it a day. Review on the product, on this product right here, the Duplicolor. This product right here is really good. It covers really nice. It doesn't blotch. The carpet still feels good. It dries up super fast. Tips: don't do this on a humid day. Don't do it inside when it's raining out. Just like if you were to paint the house, you don't want any humidity. You want that paint to dry as soon as possible. Do it mid-afternoon, late afternoon. Not mid-afternoon, late afternoon, like around 4 o'clock, because it will be a lot cooler for you, and it's not going to be so hot that the paint, when it atomizes in the air, it'll dry. That's just some basic painting tips for anybody who's kind of nervous about doing this. But let me show you the end result. I'm really happy with it. I'm satisfied. I can't wait to get this in the car. So this is the end result. Completely black. Just super, like exactly how I envisioned it. It looks brand new. I'm really happy with this. I didn't think it was going to end up looking this nice, but the carpet looks really, really good. I'm surprised, to be honest with you, about how nice it turned out. So thanks guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share, smash that like button, hit that notification bell, tell your friends about this, and thanks for watching. Enjoy, stay tuned for more. Up next, if you can see over here, just a little sneak peek, I got the wiring harness all out. There's the old one. So up next, we might have a startup. Take care guys, have a good one, stay safe.